Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block emails on Gmails without opening them on PC. So let's go to Gmail first. Log into your Gmail, then you'll find here a settings icon. Go to settings, then see all settings. Then you'll find here filters and blocked addresses. This one. Click on this, then you can see here create new filter with a blue writing. Just click on this. Now you have to put here the specific email address whom you don't want to receive messages anymore, or whom you want to block. So I'm writing here one example@gmail.com. So this one, and if you want to add multiple, you can add this here, but I'm showing you one for the basic tutorial. Then you'll find here one thing, just create filter, then choose one box to specific market. So what are you going to do with this message? Like you want to delete this, you want to forward this. That means all of the message will come from that specific mail address will be delete or forward. What are you going to check? That will be like this. So I'm doing mark it as read. So now just click on create filter. Okay, you're done. Your filter has created. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching the video.